No words, only soft from desert drums to cities bright and clear. AR reads colors, stories and signs. Ancient souls coded in digital lines. From whispered prayers to streets that sing, every culture breathes in everything. Languages bloom in electric light, traditions reborn in data and sight. Through learning minds that never sleep, AI connects what oceans keep. Different roots, one human flame, seen through the lens, yet still the same.